Hi, my name is Zachary Sharp, and welcome to my presentation on my HORT 120 real-time landscape architecture project. Today we will be discussing the project, how it relates to other softwares we've used, what I learned in this software, as well as the other tools within this software that can be used to create an accurate and visually pleasing design for a client to look at. Let's begin. We will start off by comparing Real-Time Landscape Architect to Dynascapes and AutoCAD. These are the three softwares we have used up to this point. They have different drawing tools, however all of them can be drawn in a 2D space. Real-Time offers you the ability to draw in a 3D space. Real-Time also has house-specific tools such as windows, colors, and textures, and it is another industry-specific software such as Dynascapes, unlike AutoCAD, which can be used in a variety of industries. They're all similar in their own aspects, but are widely different. Jumping into Real-Time, we begin with its main draw, the ability to use both a 2D workspace and a 3D workspace, as well as a 3D presenting and walkthrough space that allows you to create a camera path to show a client what their area may look like in different times of the day. It also incorporates lighting features and sounds to make it more visually appealing. All of these can be easily interchanged and are very useful tools for helping to lay out your specific landscape area. Like Dynascapes, Real-Time has a very large pre-built library of objects ranging from tables and chairs to lighting fixtures and then to rocks, pools, and fire pits that animate in areas such as your perspective and walkthrough views. You also have the ability to import many 3D outside objects from other third-party sources, or if you have designed one in something such as SketchUp, it can be easily imported as a drawing file. Real-Time also gives you many options for construction and site amenities. You can do specific things such as house building with windows and changing the materials, add decks, change the elevations of patios and flower beds, add fences, and as well as once you have constructed those, you can drag points, change widths, change heights, and change individual materials of things such as furniture, such as changing the cushion, what color of a cushion or the type of wood something is made out of. You can also change the pattern of a deck or patio after it has been laid. While not quite as vast as the Dynascapes library, there is still an extensive list of plants and plant tools that can be used in Real-Time. One of my personal favorites that we used was the plant row tool, where you could lay out a line using arcs and points that could be adjusted through grip edits to mass a set of plants in a certain area, such as a flower bed or a hedge. On the left, it is also shown the ability to put down a plant schedule, just like in Dynascapes. However, this one just lists out every plant you have and the amount, not listing whether it is a shrub or a grass or a tree. Finally, we get into viewpoints. Viewpoints are a very specific function of the walkthrough part of Real-Time Landscape Architect. They allow you to save a point in time on your project to list as a picture, or you can choose to restore it. You can choose the time of day to see what it would look like in the morning versus the afternoon versus at night. You can also choose to take your viewpoints and turn them into camera walkthroughs that allow you to show the client what their area may look like in a real perspective view. Thank you so much for watching my presentation. I hope you learned a little bit about Real-Time Landscape Architect, and I'll see you again for our next one here soon. Thank you.